Welcome to the Easy Cooking at Home channel. Today we'll be making ginger biscuits, a family favourite. For this you're going to need 100 grams of cubed butter, 75 grams of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 100 grams of golden syrup, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 1½ tablespoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 small egg yolk. And we'll preheat the oven at gas mark 5 or 170 degrees before we start. As you can see, we have a medium-sized pan, and here are our ingredients. We've got the fresh ginger, the brown sugar, the golden syrup, the flour, the butter, egg yolk, bicarbonate of soda and ground ginger. First of all, we're going to add the butter, the brown sugar, the fresh ginger, and the golden syrup. We're going to heat these on a medium to high heat, and mix them together until you get a nice consistency, nice runny consistency with no lumps. Once you've done this, set it to one side to cool. Once it's cooled, see, we should have this nice consistency with no lumps and bumps in there. And we'll just leave that to one side. Grab a separate bowl, and we're going to mix the flour, the ground ginger, and the bicarbonate of soda. Now mix these thoroughly together. There he goes, mixy mixy. Then once these are thoroughly mixed together, we will be adding the cooled syrup mixture and the egg yolk. You want to mix these together until you get a nice soft dough. And then we're going to split the dough into balls, small handful balls around 20 grams each. And we're going to pop them onto our baking tray. If you place them about 3 centimeters apart, because they will spread. Ideally, line your trays with parchment because it will prevent the biscuits sticking once they've been cooked. Once they're done, take them out of the oven and pop them on a cooling rack. They should take about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. Pop them, if they do start to rise, just press them down with a spoon and you'll get these nice flat biscuit shape. And there you have it. We have some nice yummy homemade ginger biscuits, just waiting to be dunked into a hot brew or to accompany a nice glass of milk. If you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing weekly recipes, and if you have any suggestions, just pop me a message and I will see what I can do.